Hello students, today we are going to start our new practical, and that is practical number 3. We have already discussed two practicals. If you didn't watch the two practicals, please watch my last two videos so that you can feel comfortable with the subsequent practicals. So today we are going to discuss the third practical, that is finding out the selling price after in such a way that post price is given and discount is given. Let's suppose on some shops you might have gone and you seen that we are giving like 9% discount, we are giving like 10% discount, we are giving like 8.75% discount. Like this you might have seen on some of the shops or some of the products. You might seen that we are getting 10% discount. What it generally mean? It means that whatever we have the whatever we have the cost price on which we purchase the item. Like I am the seller. I am the seller. Seller means who sell the items to the customer. Who sell the items to the customer is known as seller. And seller will purchase. A let's suppose a computer is purchased by a seller at a cost price of, let's suppose, 20,000 rupees. Okay, and then he is selling this product to some customer. He is selling this product to someone, let's suppose customer, at 10% discount. Then what it mean? Actually, what will be the selling price? Actually selling price will be 20,000 minus 20,000 into 10 by 100. We are giving the 10% discount. This will be the selling price. So this is how we calculate the selling price for a given cost price and given discount. Okay, so we will see in this practical how can we uh, create a Python program to calculate the selling price for a given cost price and discount. Okay, so let's get started. So now, as usual, we will understand the program logic first, then we will write down the Python code. So for program logic, I will explain you. Let's suppose a seller wants to sell his computer at 10% discount to his customer. The computer's cost price is 20,000. Let's suppose he is a seller and he wants to sell this computer. Okay, this is computer and he has some notice board. Let's suppose computer at 10% discount. Let's suppose it is the notice or announcement, something like that. And here we have the customer. Now let's suppose the cost of cost price of computer is given 20,000. This is the cost price of computer. We are giving the discount of 10%. So we know the discount equals to 10%. Now this seller wants to sell this computer to customer. Sell this sells this computer to customer at the cost price 20,000 and discount 10%. Then what is the formula to calculate the selling price? Selling price equals to cost price minus cost price into I am not having this space, so I am writing here discount divide by 100. This is how it is written, like this. Okay, so I am writing this formula again here very clearly. SP selling price equals to CP minus CP into discount divide by 100, like this. So this is actually formula. Okay, now you can see this formula like this. So this is the formula basically for calculating the selling price. Okay, now we will understand, this is the basically concept how the selling price can be calculated for a given cost price and discount. Now we will see the program implementation logic. So step, what will be the step? First step will be take the cost price in input from user, then take the discount in input from user. Now what we will do? Apply formula to calculate the selling price, or we can say discounted price. What will be the formula? We have discussed selling price SP equals to CP minus CP into discount divide by 100. This is how you can, or you can write it like that. If you know some mathematics, you can simplify it. If you want, you will take the common 1 minus discount and divide by 100, like this. You can also do. Okay, either you apply this formula or apply this formula, both are similar. Then at last, what we will do in fourth step? We will print the selling price. So this is the steps to write this program. We have understand the business logic, we have understand the steps to write this program. Now we will write the program actually. Okay, now we will write the Python code. So Python code, what we will do? We will create a variable. So now we will see the program actually. So first we will do selling price. We are creating this variable selling price, cost price. I need to erase this. Okay, we will take the cost price in input. Cost price equals to what? Cost price can be in float, so we are converting it into the float. We are taking input from the user, enter the cost price, enter cost price. So using this line we are taking the input cost price from the user. Now we will take the input discount. We are creating a variable discount. We are creating, actually discount can be in floating point, like sometimes you might have heard like 8.7% discount, like this. So discount can be in a floating point number. We are taking input, enter discount, enter the discount. Now what we will do, we will write the formula for creating the getting the selling price. So you can write down selling price. We are creating a new variable, selling underscore price equals to cost price, cost underscore price minus cost price into discount divided by 100, like this. You will write the formula. Now you will write, you need to print this, print the selling price or discounted price. Cost selling price means discounted price is what? Selling price. Selling underscore price. You will close this, and here it is. So this is the Python code for writing the calculating the selling price. Now we will see it into the editor also. So I am roughing this and we move to the editor. So here we are in the Spider editor. We will write this here. So let me start writing. So first of all we will take the cost price as input. Cost price equals to float input, enter the cost price. We are taking the cost price from user. Then we are taking the discount equals to float input, enter the discount. Both can be float. Now we will calculate the selling price. Selling price equals to, how we calculate? Cost underscore price minus cost underscore price into discount divided by 100. Then we will make it in a formulated expression so that I don't have any problem. Okay, so this is how we have written this. Okay, now we will simply print selling price, or we can say discounted price is what? We will do here selling price. Okay, I am minimizing it so you cannot see this. Yeah, okay. So whatever we have discussed, I have written like this only. So we are taking the input from user, cost price. We are taking the discount. We are taking the selling. We are calculating the selling price using formula. Then we are printing the selling price. Now we will run this program. So for run, you just click on this green button. Now you can see here this window. Now let me give some input here. Let's suppose I am giving 1000 as a cost price, then giving discount as a 10%. Then what will be the cost price? New selling price would be 900. So you see here, you can see here it is 900. Let's suppose run again and give some different input. Let's suppose I am giving 20,000 as a cost price, giving 5% discount. Then the selling price would be, or discounted price will be 19,000. Okay, so this is how you can do this practical in your computer or in a Spider editor. Note down this code and do practice in computer or in mobile phone. by running this. I hope you understand this. With that, I am closing this session. Thank you. Have a nice day.